Miracle Hair Mask for Hair Growth. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe, share and comment. How to use fenugreek seeds for hair growth and controls hair fall. Fenugreek seeds are very effective in making the hair strong from their roots and dealing with the follicular problems. These seeds fight irritation on the scalp and dandruff, which are two main reasons for hair loss. To prevent hair loss, in a bowl take 2 to 3 teaspoons fenugreek seeds. Soak the fenugreek seeds overnight. Stir in water and put soaked seeds into blender. Grind into thick paste without adding water. Now add 2 to 3 teaspoons curd into a bowl. Yogurt contains healthy bacteria that help to fight dandruff causing yeast. Also, the lactic acid in the yogurt has gentle exfoliating action. It will get rid of dead skin and flakes and promote clean and healthy scalp. Add 2 teaspoons of fenugreek seeds paste. You can store remaining paste in airtight container and keep in refrigerator for 10 to 15 days. Whenever you want mask you can make instantly. Mix well. How to use. Start with dry or damp hair. Apply this mask to your scalp and hair. Put on your shower cap or wrap your head in a muslin cloth or a towel. You can also leave your hair uncovered as this mixture won't drip. Leave this on for 20 to 30 minutes, then rinse off thoroughly. Wash with a natural shampoo and let your hair dry naturally. Do this mask once a week to restore and maintain your hair. Fenugreek seeds not only kill the bacteria and fungi present on the scalp but strengthen the hair follicles and promote hair growth. The high content of potassium in fenugreek seeds makes it an important kitchen spice which is capable of tackling premature graying of hair. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.